Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to change your website name in Wix quickly and easily. Whether you're rebranding or just want a name that better reflects your vision, this guide has you covered. Start by logging into your Wix account at wix.com and head to your dashboard. Find the site you want to rename and click on it. Once inside, look for the three little dots next to your site name. This opens more options. From the menu, select Rename Site. A text box will appear where you can type your new name. Make sure it's simple, memorable, and reflects your brand. Once you've entered the name, hit Save to confirm your changes. And that's it. Your Wix website now has a fresh new name that aligns with your brand. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more Wix tips.